Did you know that 40% of potential new customers hang up after just one unanswered call? For carpet cleaners, that's thousands of dollars in lost revenue every single month. Your availability is your biggest asset. Ensure potential clients can always reach someone, even after hours or when your crew is on a job. Beyond a clean carpet, your customer's experience defines your reputation. From the first call to the final invoice, make every interaction seamless and professional. Maximizing each job means strategic upselling. Offer stain protection, upholstery cleaning, or area rug services proactively to boost your average ticket value. Positive online reviews are gold. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experience. Respond promptly to all feedback, good or bad. Efficient routing and scheduling save time and fuel. Utilize software to optimize your daily jobs, allowing for more bookings and less travel. Invest in smart local marketing. Target homeowners and businesses in your service area with promotions that highlight your unique selling points and expertise. The biggest challenge? Staying on top of everything while actually cleaning carpets. Missed calls and forgotten follow-ups are simply lost income. That's where Heyfield comes in. Home service businesses using AI receptionists like Heyfield report 40% more booked jobs and significantly fewer missed opportunities. Imagine never missing another lead, having all calls handled professionally, and your schedule managed perfectly. Heyfield handles the calls so you can clean carpets.